Good morning, students of class 4. Welcome back to our class after the Independence Day celebration. Today it's Monday, and today we're going to start the same chapter which we have continued in our last class. Let us begin with the chapter number 5. Everybody, try to listen carefully. Try to listen carefully. In grammar, in English grammar, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 in English grammar, chapter number 5, that is interrogative sentence. That is interrogative sentence. Okay, students, for confirmation, can you hear my voice? Can you hear me? If you are able to hear me, raise your hand. Students, if you are able to hear me, raise your hand. Thank you very much. Now, in our last class, we have already learned how to change an assertive sentence to negative interrogative sentence. We have learned in our last class how to change a positive. We have learned how to change a positive sentence. We have learned how to change a positive sentence to interrogative sentence. That is the rule number 1. We have seen the rule number 1. What? In rule number 1, we have learned. Rule number 1, we have learned that by putting the helping verb, by putting the helping verb just before the subject. This was your rule number 1, students. In our last class, we have studied that the helping verb which is being used in the sentence, the same helping verb or the auxiliary verb, we use that auxiliary verb just before the subject to change the positive sentence to interrogative sentence. Now, let us begin and let us start with the second one, second rule. The second rule. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Now look carefully how we are going to change in rule number 2. Rule number 2 में हम कैसे change करेंगे हम ये पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Okay. Now how to change? The first rule we have already learned that by putting the used auxiliary verb just before the subject, and the formula also I have written. Now let us see the second rule, that is by using do does. हम डू डज यूज करके भी एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द सेकंड रूल. नाउ लुक हियर, by using do or dust, by using do or dust before the subject, by using do or does just before the subject. Now let us see when the ordinary verb or we can say the main verb MV is in simple present. Simple present tense. Now look at the board carefully, students. Rule number 2. We are in chapter number 5. Don't move your camera and mobile, please. Be constant. Listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनिएगा बेटा, ठीक है. First rule, we have studied that by putting the used auxiliary verb just before the subject, we were able to change the positive sentence to a interrogative sentence. Today, let us see the second rule. By using do does before the subject, we will be able to change a positive sentence to interrogative sentence. Here, when the ordinary verb, I am not discussing about auxiliary verb. यहाँ पे मैं auxiliary verb की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Helping verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb. अगर हमारा सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब रहता था तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब को हम सब्जेक्ट से पहले लिख करके उसे प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य में चेंज करते थे. बट अब हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, हम ये करने जा रहे हैं कि अगर हमारा मेन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में, इफ आवर मेन वर्ब ordinary verb, do you understand? If our ordinary verb or the main verb is in simple present tense, then we are going to use one formula. Now look here, I am going to write the formula here if possible. My voice is clear, can you hear me? आरुषि भारती, आवाज आ रही है? Okay, thank you. I'm going to erase this. Look carefully. By using do, does before the subject when the ordinary verb is in simple present tense. अगर हमारा verb simple present tense में है तो हम क्या use करेंगे? Do or does to change it into interrogative sentence. Now let us see the formula. Students, now let us see the formula. Look at here. It's your formula. The first formula, that is first do plus I or we or you or they. What are all these? ये सारे क्या है बेटा? Plural subject है. What are all these? Plural subject plus verb का first form, the first form of the verb, plus object plus question mark. Fine. Now let us see the second rule, that is number B, does. Does plus he, she, it or name of a person plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. Fine. This is our two formula. ये दो formula है जिसको when our main verb, बेटा we have already discussed about verb. What is verb? Verb is divided into two parts, that is helping verb and main verb. If the sentence here, look here, अगर हमारा sentence में helping verb है, then we can place the helping verb just before the subject. Subject से पहले helping verb लिखते थे, first rule था. Now let us see the second rule. In second rule, you know, we have already learned in our previous class that do is used with a plural subject and does is used with a what? Singular subject. Here are the subject. Here are the subject. Now let me give you one example. Now look here, students. Look at the first example. I play in the ground. I play in the ground. Now here there is no auxiliary verb. इसमें auxiliary verb नहीं है. Now how to change this sentence to interrogative sentence? Like earlier, let us see one example. Let me write here. This is not the answer. ये answer नहीं है. I am a student. I am a student. In this case, इस केस में पहला रूल काम कर रहा था. We will use the first rule. This is the auxiliary verb. ये आपका helping verb है. So what we will do? We will shift this just before the subject. We will shift, यानी हम इस auxiliary verb को subject से पहले use करेंगे. यानी कि हम यहाँ लिखेंगे am I a student? Question mark. Yes, it was easy. We were able to change. हम change कर पा रहे थे. But now let us see. On this question here, there is no auxiliary verb. Here there is no auxiliary verb. And what is the verb here? Here the verb, it is in main. It is a main verb. ये हमारा main verb है. And this main verb is in present tense. ये हमारा present tense में है. it is in present tense, yani simple present tense. It is in simple present tense. Then we are going to use these two formula. ये दोनों formula में से हम कोई एक use करेंगे. But which one we are going to use? Here I, look at I. I हमारा क्या है? Plural है. I is plural. So we will use here what? Do. Okay. अगर हम मैं यहाँ पे I की जगह he कर दूं. He plays in the ground. He plays in the ground. Means this is also present tense, but in this case here, look at he, the subject he, ये हमारा subject है. He is the subject here. I have changed. मैंने change किया बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. पहले मैंने क्या लिखा था यहाँ पे? I लिखा था. I, it was a plural subject and he, it is a singular subject. अगर subject हमारा singular है, if the subject is singular, then we are going to use here does. ये use करेंगे. अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो हम ये यूज करेंगे. फाइन. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू चेंज दिस. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू चेंज. लुक एट द एग्जांपल. आई प्ले इन द ग्राउंड. आई प्ले इन द ग्राउंड. यहां पे देखिए बेटा, लुक केयरफुली. यहाँ पे कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है. देयर इज नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन दिस सेंटेंस. Now how to change? We will use which formula? I. This one. I is written here. I यहाँ लिखा है. So rule number A. We are going to use here do plus I, we, you, they. इनमें से अगर कोई है plural subject तो वो लिखेंगे I. I is here. Do I. Now next verb का first form. Play is the first form. Do I play in the ground? Do I play in the ground? Students, look at the board plus question mark. Do I play in the ground is the object here. We are using the object here. Now what is the changes? ये change हो गया हमारा interrogative sentence में. Now we are able to change it with these two formula. Now let us see one more thing, one more example. Look at one more example. Example number two, that is they know me. They know me. Full stop. It is a positive sentence. It is a positive sentence. और यहाँ पे ये हमारा verb क्या है? Know. जानना. वो हमें जानते हैं, वो या वो मुझे जानते हैं. वो मुझे जानते हैं. क्या वो मुझे जानते हैं? Now we are going to change this into interrogative sentence. Here know, it is in present tense बेटा. ये present tense में है. आपको मैं verb का भी forms बताऊंगा. Verb का present, past and past participle form. ठीक है? उससे पहले verb. We can recognize the tense of a verb only with the help of the verb. Verb के help से ही हम उसे check कर पाएंगे, अन्यथा नहीं कर पाएंगे. Now look here. They know me. Now change it. They. What is they? They here. It is here. यहाँ पे है they. यहाँ पे board पे देखो. Look at the board. What is they? They is a plural subject. So we are going to use again. We are going to use the first formula. That is what? First we will write do. हम लिखेंगे do plus क्या लिखेंगे? I, we, you, they. इन चारों को एक साथ नहीं लिखा है. Don't make a mistake that you are not going to use all these at a time. In the sentence, what subject is given, that subject only you are going to use. आपको वाक्य में जो सब्जेक्ट दिया रहेगा वही यूज करेंगे. इससे पहले I था तो मैंने I यूज किया. अब इससे पहले यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट क्या है? They. Do they know? Do they know me? Question mark. Yes. Now look at one more example. Look at one more example. He eats an apple. He eats an apple. He eats an apple. Now change it. He, what is he? He is singular now. Now we are going to use the second rule. Look here. Does plus subject हम लिखेंगे he, verb का first form EAT. यहाँ पे changes. Look at the changes बेटा. यहाँ पे changes क्या है? EATS. ये हमारा change हो जाएगा EAT. S और ES नहीं लगेगा जब हम उसे change करेंगे. Does he eat an apple? Object. An apple is the object plus question mark. Plus question mark. Now I have changed this from a positive sentence to an interrogative sentence. Now look at one more example. Ram loves at the beggar. Ram loves at the beggar. Full stop. It is a positive sentence here. Now we have to change. We have to change. What is the verb here? ये verb हमारा present tense में है. It is in simple present tense. Now what we are going to use? We are going to use does. क्या use करेंगे? Does. Ram is a name of a person. ये किसी व्यक्ति का नाम है, इसीलिए हम क्या use करेंगे यहाँ पे? Does. Does plus subject Ram. Does Ram. Now changes. Verb का देखो बेटा s es नहीं लगेगा, क्या होगा? s हट जाएगा. L-A-U-G-H. Love. Does Ram love at the beggar? At the beggar. Now here question mark. Now we have changed a positive sentence to an interrogative sentence. So now let me erase the board. Now students look here. Present form of verb यानी कि verb का first form. Present past means verb का second form. And past participle means it is the verb third form. Now look here. अभी हमने verb पढ़ा था. क्या था? Verb first verb present tense में play रहेगा. If it is changed to past, it will be played. Played. If it is in past participle, the same thing, it will be played. Now let us see go. Go present form. अगर go लिखा है तो present होगा. Went it is the past form, and past participle form means the perfect form. Gone. Yes. एक और था. No. Nod. No. Known. W and non. Next. Non. It is the past participle form. देखो बेटा कैसे, तो इस वर्ब से हमें पता चलता है अगर सेंटेंस में ये वर्ब यूज हुआ है देन दिस इज इन व्हाट? प्रेजेंट टेंस, यानी कि प्रेजेंट टेंस यानी वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म. ओके. नाउ इफ अगर सेंटेंस में इफ इन द सेंटेंस दिस वर्ब इज यूज्ड मींस इट इज इन पास्ट टेंस. अगर हमारा पास्ट टेंस में है, अगर हमारा सेंटेंस इफ द सेंटेंस इज इन पास्ट टेंस देन वी विल नॉट यूज डू और डज. डू और डज हम यूज नहीं करेंगे. मैंने अभी लिखवाया था, I have written on the board that when the main verb or when the ordinary verb, I have written just now on the board that अगर हमारा verb main verb is in what? Simple present tense यानी कि present tense में है तो ही हम do और does यूज करेंगे. Only then we are going to use do or does. But if our verb is in what? Past tense. अगर हमारा past tense में है तो हम क्या do or does यूज नहीं करेंगे. Now let us see the rule number 3. Rule number 3. Before that, let us see one more example. Let us see one more example. He loves me. Now here, look here, loves. Verb ka, look, I'm writing here. Verb first form, verb second form, verb third form. Means present tense, past tense, past participle form. Okay, yani ki perfect form. Now look here, love. Love, past form, loved. Ed, loved. Past participle form, loved. अब हमें verb से by only with the help of only main verb we are able to recognize that this sentence is in simple present tense. सिर्फ इस verb की वजह से हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि ये जो verb है, this verb is in present tense. Okay, now let us change it. He, what is he? It is in singular form. Then we will use does. Does plus he, subject plus verb का first form. Now see the changes. अब changes देखिए. LOVE, यहाँ पे LOVS लिखा हुआ है. VES. Now here LOVE, love. Does he love plus me plus question mark. Now it is able. We are able to change it. ये हमारा change हो गया किसमें? Interrogative sentence में. Now let us see the full and final, the third rule. Let us see the third rule. Now let us see the rule number third. Rule number third. By using did before the subject, before the subject, when the ordinary verb, when the ordinary means the main verb, when the ordinary means the main verb, means the main verb is in past tense, is in past tense. Students, look at the board. By using did, हम did use करेंगे कब? When our main verb, ordinary verb, you can say ordinary verb or you can say it as it a main verb. आप इसको main verb भी कह सकते हैं या ordinary verb भी कह सकते हैं. Don't get confused between ordinary and main verb. Fine. Just only for completing the sentence I have written here ordinary verb. Ordinary verb का मतलब होता है बेटा auxiliary नहीं होता है, क्या होता है? Main verb. Okay. Now help. Let us see. Now look at the example. Look at some of the, not the example. Let us see the rule. In this case, if the main verb or the ordinary verb, if the main verb or the ordinary verb is in past tense, अगर past tense में, so you don't need to see anything. वहां पे आपको singular और plural subject use करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Formula. Now look here. Let us see the formula. Did plus subject. Did plus subject. Subject means which subject? कौन सा subject? Both subject. Both singular and plural. Both singular and plural subject. Both singular and plural subject. यानी कि इस केस में ये क्लियर हो गया. इट इज क्लियर दैट इन पास्ट टेंस whether the subject is in present tense or past tense doesn't matter. अगर हमारा ordinary verb, if the ordinary verb is in what past form, it is in past form, then we can use did with any subject. Subject चाहे हमारा plural हो, subject हो plural हो या singular हो, no matter, we will use did. हम did use करेंगे. तो अगर यही चीज अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस में था तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? नाउ लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल, सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल. और बिफोर दैट लेट मी कंप्लीट इट. इसको कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ लेट अस सी. लुक एट द बोर्ड. नाउ वी विल लुक एट द एग्जांपल. आई वेंट टू स्कूल. I went to school yesterday. मैं कल विद्यालय गया था. I went to school yesterday. It is a positive sentence. Now we have to change this. Now let us change it. First क्या use करेंगे? Look at the verb form. Went, main verb. यहाँ पे went क्या है बेटा? I have taught you just now. Verb का first form go. Verb second form went and verb third form gone. It's the perfect form. Now let us see. अब देखो बेटा यहाँ पे look at this verb. This verb is in past form. If it is in past form, then we will use this formula. Did plus subject. I go. Went नहीं लिखेंगे हम. यहाँ पे subject के बाद verb का first form. What is the first form of went? Went का first form go है. So we will write did I go to school. Did I go to school yesterday? Did I go to school yesterday? Question mark. Fine. Now let me erase it. Once again, let us see the same example. Same example की तरफ देखते हैं. I go to school. I go to school. We have to change. हमें change करना है इसे interrogative sentence में. First one, second one, I went to school. I went to school. Full stop. Now let us see the difference. Let us see the difference. Go, it is in first form. Verb का first form है ये. Went, it is verb का second form. Means in past tense. This is in past tense and this is in present tense. ये present tense में. Now let us change it. If it is in present tense, what is I? I is plural, so we will use here. Do I go to school? Do I go to school? Question mark. Now look here. ये did है बेटा. यहाँ पे past form है. तो क्या use करेंगे हम? Did. Did I? Now first form of went. Went का first form क्या है? Go. Did I go to school? Did I go to school? I hope you understand. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि verb अगर हमारा present tense है. I hope you understand, students. If the ordinary or the main verb is in what present form, then we will use that rule, that is do does. And if our ordinary verb is in past tense, then we will use did. And let us see some more examples. Let me explain with some more examples. Let us see with some more examples, students. Don't worry, it is very easy. Example number 2, they won the match. They won the match. Now look here, verb. यहाँ पे verb won, कार्य, जीतने का कार्य हो रहा है. won. won का present form क्या होता है बेटा? win. तो ये present form है. win is in present form. but इसका past form क्या है? won. और past participle form क्या होगा? वो भी won होगा. तो इससे ये पता चल रहा है, we are able to recognize only with the help of this main verb or the ordinary verb that this sentence is in past tense. ये past tense में है. तो past tense में हम directly क्या use कर लेंगे? did subject, they verb का first form. ये verb है, verb का first form क्या होगा? win. Did they win the match? Did they win the match? Question mark. Fine. Now let us see one more example. Let us see. Anshika killed a bird. Anshika killed a bird. Now look here. Look at the board. What is the verb here? Verb is kill. यहाँ कौन सा कार्य हो रहा है? मारने का कार्य हो रहा है. तो let us see the kill here. Kill, it is in verb first form. Now killed, it is in verb second form, means past form, and killed, it is in verb third form. Now look here. Look how it changes. कैसे change हो रहा है ये ध्यान से देखिएगा. अंशिका killed is in past tense. ये किसमें है? past tense में है. It is in past tense. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? did. Again यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे हम? अंशिका, an. अंशिका वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म. व्हाट इज द वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म? किल. ये नहीं लिखेंगे हम. वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिखेंगे किल अ बर्ड. क्वेश्चन मार्क. यस, दिस इज द एग्जांपल. सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल यू कैन सी ऑन द बोर्ड. I hope you understand, students. This is your third chapter. Sorry, the fifth chapter, and the fifth chapter is over. Now, I hope if you have any doubt, we can discuss related your doubts. आपके जो doubts होंगे उस tomorrow we will do the exercise. कल हम exercise करेंगे. Tomorrow we will try to do the exercise, and today I will send you. आज मैं आपको send करूंगा chapter 5 exercise, and we will complete the exercise tomorrow. आज आप exercise करेंगे और कल हम क्लास में उसे चेक करेंगे. यानी कि मैं करूंगा और आप चेक करेंगे कि आपने सही किया है कि गलत किया है. Students, there are 3 rules I have taught you in this class or in this chapter number 5. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. I will send you. Please write down neat and cleanly in your fair copy. And now let us discuss. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me.